Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video, friends. So viewers, first idea is viewers, kids craft ideas. This button craft is perfect for kids. Use bright and colorful buttons. Make shape like animal, flower, or smiley faces. Kids will enjoy this activity. Easy and full of fun. Creative pattern designs. Let's create something unique with button. Mix a different size and colors. Make creative design or simple patterns. Each crafts look different and special. Enjoy your creative gifts idea. Button craft is a lovely handmade gifts. Make a heart or name designs with button. Place it in a frame. It looks simple but very special. Perfect for gifts. And viewers, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Viewers, so next idea, place it in a frame. It looks simple but very special. Perfect for gifts. Perfect gifts for loved ones. Button fabric crafts. Today we mix button with fabric. Add button or on cushions, bag or table donuts. Give a handmade and stylish look. Simple ideas. Bag change. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, viewers. So you can use this for home decoration or gifts. It looks simple but very creative and beautiful. Try this idea at your home and enjoy your crafting time. Thank you so much for watching. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next.